In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off notifications for Facebook posts. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If you love to know how you can turn on or off notifications on Facebook posts, head over to your Facebook, right? So this is our Facebook feed. And if you love to know how you can turn off notifications or on notifications on Facebook posts, just click on these three dotted icons, right? Once I've clicked on it, wait for it to load up, right? Once it has opened up, now you're going to see this turn on notification. So if I click on it, I'm going to turn on the notification for this post, right? So you can see notifications turned on. So if I click on it, I'm going to turn it off. Notifications turned off. So this is basically how you can turn on or off notifications on Facebook posts. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.